Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best action cameras in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Akaso Brave 4 Action Camera. The Acaso Brave 4 4K 20MP Wi-Fi Action Camera Ultra HD is perfect for capturing all the unforgettable moments of your life. With its 4K resolution and 20MP capabilities, you can capture stunning images and videos like never before. The camera also features electronic image stabilization (EIS), which provides smooth and stable footage even during intense action. What's more, the camera is waterproof up to 30 meters, so it's great for underwater shots. You can also control the camera remotely with the included remote control, allowing you to capture shots from any angle. Plus, the 5x zoom feature allows you to get close-up shots that would be impossible with a standard camera. The kit also includes 2 rechargeable batteries, an external microphone, and various helmet and mount accessories. With the Acaso Brave 4 4K 20MP Wi-Fi Action Camera Ultra HD, you can capture your life's most precious moments in stunning detail. Pros: 4K Ultra HD video quality, 20MP Wi-Fi Action Camera, electronic image stabilization (EIS), waterproof up to 30m underwater, remote control with 5x zoom, 2 batteries and helmet accessories kit. Cons: limited image editing options, low battery life when recording 4K, limited storage options for photos and videos. Display screen can be difficult to read in certain lighting conditions. Poor customer service support. Number 2. Our second best pick is DJI Osmo Action 4K Action Cam. Capture all your thrilling adventures with the DJI Osmo Action 4K Action Cam. This powerful digital camera is perfect for capturing stunning 4K videos and 12MP photos in any environment. With 2 displays, one on the front and one on the back, you can easily see what you are filming and take self-portraits with ease. It is waterproof up to 36 feet underwater, so you can take it with you on your scuba diving and snorkeling trips. It also features HDR video and a 145 degrees angle, so you won't miss a single moment of your adventure. It comes with advanced Wi-Fi capabilities, so you can connect it to your smartphone or tablet and share your videos and photos with friends and family. The DJI Osmo Action 4K Action Cam is the perfect way to capture all of your exciting adventures. Pros: 4K Action Cam with 12MP resolution, 2 displays for enhanced viewing experience, waterproof up to 36 feet underwater, Wi-Fi enabled for convenient sharing, HDR video for improved color accuracy, 145 degrees angle for wider field of view, compact and lightweight design. Cons: limited battery life, image processing is slow, no external microphone support, expensive compared to other action cameras. Number 3. Our third best pick is Dragon Touch 4K Underwater HD Action Camera. The Dragon Touch 4K Underwater HD Action Camera, Vision 3 Pro Touchscreen 20MP 100 feet waterproof video camera, adjustable view angle, Wi-Fi sports camcorder with remote control, helmet accessories is the perfect tool for capturing all your adventurous moments. This camera is equipped with a 20-megapixel sensor, 4K video resolution, adjustable view angle, and 100 feet of waterproofing. With its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, you can instantly share your photos and videos with your friends and family. The Vision 3 Pro also comes with a remote control and a range of helmet accessories, including a waterproof housing, handlebar mount, and more, so you can capture your best moments from any angle. Whether you're swimming, skiing, or diving, the Dragon Touch 4K Underwater HD Action Camera has you covered. Pros: 4K resolution, touch screen, 20MP, 100 feet waterproof, adjustable view angle, Wi-Fi. Remote control. Helmet accessories. Cons. No built-in stabilization. Limited battery life. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is GoPro Max. Introducing the GoPro Max. This next-level waterproof 360+ traditional camera is packed with features that make it the perfect choice for getting the perfect shot. The GoPro Max's 5.6K 30 HD video and 16.6 MP 360 photos allow you to capture and relive your memories in stunning clarity. Plus, its 1080p live streaming capabilities mean you can share your experiences in real time with friends and family. And with its advanced stabilization technology and touch screen, you can be sure you'll get a smooth and seamless experience every time. Whether you're a professional videographer or a casual adventurer, the GoPro Max is the perfect way to capture your world. Pros. Waterproof design for use in wet environments. Spherical 5.6K 30 HD video and 16.6 MP 360 photos. 1080p live streaming and stabilization. Touch screen for easy navigation. Traditional camera mode for capturing non-360 images. Cons. Price may be too expensive for some users. Battery life may be too short for long recording sessions. Limited selection of accessories for mounting the camera. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 Action Camera. This Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 Action Camera is the perfect tool for capturing your outdoor adventures. This ultra-compact, waterproof camera has a variety of features designed to help you capture your memories and share them with your friends and family. It features 4K/30 FPS Ultra HD video, 12-megapixel photos, a variety of slow-motion and time-lapse options, voice control, and a one-touch live streaming feature. With its built-in sensors and G-Metrix data overlay, this camera provides you with an unprecedented level of detail about your adventures. It's even capable of capturing audio with its built-in microphone and offers an optional waterproof case for extreme conditions. Whether you're an adventure seeker or a weekend warrior, the Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 Action Camera is sure to help you capture and share your memories with a level of detail and clarity you've never seen before. Pros. High-quality image and video capture. Built-in image stabilization for smoother video. Voice control for hands-free operation. Compact and lightweight design. Ability to stream live video directly to a compatible device. Cons. Expensive compared to other cameras. Limited battery life. No built-in screen for playback or preview. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.